my name is Quentin McFadden, and today I will basically show you how to packet capture in from Palo Alto and get actual packets uh, downloaded and opening them in Wireshark. So first, what we're gonna do here is go to the firewall. Let me go to the firewall. So I previously did this already, but I can show you how to do it as well. Um, and then you just log into your firewall like so. Let me make sure I remember my passcode. I think I know it. Try. There we go. So once we log in to the firewall, what we're gonna do now is wait till it uploads, wait till it updates, and wait till it actually opens up for us. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, remind me later, that's telemetry. Um, so now to get to the packet capture, it's gonna be in the monitoring tab. So I already previously have done this lab, like I stated, but I can show you how to actually the gist of it all. So you're gonna want to click on packet capture, excuse me, and then manage filters, and then you're gonna actually input these numbers and all of this data, all of this information, you're gonna put all of this, and it should also be a printout or a actual instructions in the lab. So you can either pause the video and watch and just capture all of the numbers, or you can just go to the lab and if you have access to this lab, and then input the numbers like so. Now you're gonna just click OK, and now you're gonna turn this filter off, then turn it on. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is configure the capturing. You're gonna wanna go to add packet capture. Well, from the packet capture stage, you're gonna wanna go uh, to add some things. So you can see here that the packet capture stage, we can label it as drop, and then we can label it as a drop.pcap because all of the actual files in the packet capture stage are PCAP files. I'm not gonna actually save this because I actually have it already completed. So these are the files, these are the stages that you would need to actually add. So once you add those, you're gonna turn packet capture off and on, and then you're gonna go up to this button where it says refresh, and then you're gonna refresh, and you'll see all of your files right here that have captured correctly. And sometimes you have to turn these on and off multiple times. So yeah, and now what we're gonna do is export these actual PCAP files so we can open them up into Wireshark. So first, you just want to just click on it. I like to save it first instead of opening it up automatically because it's more organized. So now you just save it. I'm not gonna do this because I already have it saved under my downloads, but that's where the files will be at under your downloads. So once you've successfully downloaded all of these files, you're gonna want to minimize the packet capture from Palo Alto, and then you're gonna want to open Wireshark. Once you open Wireshark, wait till it uploads. And now you're going to go to open and you go to downloads in case it didn't already pop up for you. But you're going to go to downloads and then you're going to want to open each one of these and take a screenshot so you have some packet captures in your portfolio. So you can open it like so and take a screenshot. And this is basically how you open up packets and how you actually can see what's going on in the different files and the different stages. So you see we have receive, transmit, drop, and firewall. So yeah, if you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to comment on my YouTube page. If you have, or direct message me on LinkedIn at Quentin McFadden. Till next time, everyone, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Fair winds and following seas.